Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to be discussing the health benefits of drinking garlic with honey. Garlic and honey have been used for centuries for their various health benefits, and when combined, they can offer even more benefits. So, let's dive in and see what happens when you drink garlic with honey. Boosts immune system. Garlic is known to have antimicrobial properties, which can help to boost the immune system. Honey also has antibacterial properties, and when combined with garlic, it can help to protect the body from illness and diseases. Reduces inflammation. Garlic contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, and honey is also known for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Drinking garlic with honey can help to reduce pain and swelling in the body, making it an effective remedy for conditions such as arthritis. Lowers cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that garlic can help to lower cholesterol levels, and honey has also been shown to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels. Drinking garlic with honey can help to keep cholesterol levels under control and reduce the risk of heart disease. Improves digestive health. Garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on digestive health, helping to reduce symptoms such as bloating and constipation. Honey is also known for its ability to soothe the digestive system and can help to reduce acid reflux. Promotes better sleep. Garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on sleep, helping to improve the quality and duration of sleep. Honey is also known for its ability to promote better sleep, making it an effective remedy for insomnia. In conclusion, drinking garlic with honey can offer a wide range of health benefits, including boosting the immune system, reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, improving digestive health, and promoting better sleep. So, if you're looking for a natural remedy to improve your health, consider adding garlic and honey to your daily routine. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of drinking garlic with honey. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.